got a big pile of paper that has built up over the last, not even a week, that's just gathered on my kitchen table, so I need to go through all that. I have no idea what's in here. Could be some really important stuff in here. I don't know. This is my in tray, which I'm supposed to deal with on a regular basis. Also overflowing. There's stuff down here that's been here for quite some time.
What's the difference between the in tray and the pile that's built up in the week?
Right, so the pile that's built up in the week, I do aim to go through. Supposed to go through daily, doesn't always happen. So that I would go through, and you know, a lot of it will just get tossed in the recycling.
Okay.
If I think I have to deal with it, or I don't know what to do with it, more often than not, it ends up in here.
So it's really like an in tray and a pending tray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But this stuff, it can sit here a long time. And often what I'll find I'll do is I'll need something. I know it's in here and I'll have to rifle through this to find it.
Right.
Like something the other day for my accountant. It was like, oh my God, it's in here. I know it's in here.
So it swallows up quite a lot of time.
Yeah.
Mostly it's either going to be recycling, rubbish, filing or action when it comes to paper. There's not much. You don't tend to generate stuff in a charity shop or you know, stuff to give back to your friends. So it's less likely finding a pile of paper.
And you don't know what's in that pile, right?
Who knows what we're going to find?
Right, we get going.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is just deal with each thing one at a time and divide it into those categories. It's only been about 40 minutes.
Yeah. It's getting easier. It's going down.
It does. So well done, Claire. Do you want to talk through what we did?
Right, okay, so there was a big pile of stuff on here that was like kind of one in tray that just got dumped on the kitchen table. That's all gone. So some of it has gone into here, which is things I need to deal with.
That's like your action pile.
That's my action.
And you're going to just, you've decided, haven't you, when you're going to do that?
Yeah, I'm going to do that on Friday morning when I've got a bit of time off. This stuff needs to be filed. I'd quite like to get that done before, like today, because otherwise it's going to end up as another dumping pile. This is the stuff we didn't get to, so I would like to continue on with this. It was getting easier, you know, going through things, so I don't think that's going to take as long. Maybe.
I reckon you'd be through in about half an hour.
Half an hour.
And have you got time to do that today, do you think?
I'm going to try and get that done today.
Fantastic.
Nibble away at that if I can.
Brilliant.
Great weight off my mind.
Yeah, how does it feel now?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, like I'm on top of things. Whereas not just like this horrible, I don't even know what's in there pile of stuff, you know. But yeah. So
well done. Really, really well done.